Moment. IGA 2026, the future of governed AI represents more than a book, it represents a vision for the future of enterprise and global decision intelligence. The work brings together decades of real-world enterprise experience, governance thinking, AI evolution, auditability, ethics, sustainability, and runtime intelligence under one unified architecture. Inform rightward arrow, govern rightward arrow, assure. The book introduces how governed AI can move beyond traditional prediction systems toward accountable, explainable, policy-driven, and audit-ready intelligence for governments, enterprises, healthcare, education, manufacturing, finance, ESG, and many other domains. It positions AI not as uncontrolled automation, but as governed intelligence where AI generates intelligence, governance validates trust, and assure preserves accountability. A special thanks to OpenAI for enabling and accelerating this remarkable journey of innovation, research, architecture visualization, cockpit prototyping, governed intelligence modeling, and knowledge transformation. The collaboration between human enterprise experience and advanced AI assistance helped shape the vision behind IGA 2026 and NeuroGov+, Advanced AI. Blue Book IGA 2026, The Future of Governed AI. By Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Inventor and architect NeuroGov+, Advanced AI, Analyzer 1.0, and the 3D, 10D AI DNN engine, Cognitive Cube. Buy the book here. Blue Rose Store. Amazon India. Flipkart. IGA 2026 is not only about AI. It is about governing intelligence responsibly for the future of humanity, enterprise, and society. Tested now, School GPT is now officially included as a future standard example under the Universal NeuroGov+/IGA 2026 architecture. GPT equals governance and predictive transformer. Future domain examples may include School GPT, Education GPT, Finance GPT, Healthcare GPT, Manufacturing GPT, Logistics GPT, ESG GPT, Hermes GPT, Smart City GPT. This supports the strategic vision of one governance brain rightward arrow N enterprise domains, where each domain transforms raw operational data into governed predictive intelligence using KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI rightward arrow RMSE. Analyzer 1.0. Policy governance. Inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow assure. And enterprise audit-ready decision intelligence. Thanks. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.